be thoughtful. So, you know, to Rob's point, it's not about just chucking a tool out there, and it's not about abdicating responsibility. So having IT enable process change and enable that the users to do a lot of what was formerly inside IT, and being, as you said, Tony, more of a power broker or enabler, that is a mature set of leadership and the right way to do it in partnership with your internal customers. How can I make you guys better? And I'll give you a great example. We worked with a SaaS provider, and they did not have analytics in their product, and we were very good with data and analytics. And we looked at the competition, looked at their product, and gave them a kind of roadmap and said, here's how you should get there. And they said, great, we'll build it. We said, no. You can't have your development team constantly building analytics. You need to buy toolkits that in essence lets your more technical internal customer facing people configure stuff for clients. So it's not customization, it's configuration at install time. You have your basic set of analytics, you can do that. I don't care how fast you build things. It won't be as fast as the people that are sitting with your customers implementing stuff. Huge pushback from development. So what did we do? Ran a pilot. They're like, all right, sold. So now you don't have to reinvent the wheel and you can go deliver better functionality. Does that make sense? Or like, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. We don't have to control it. It was a huge mindset shift. It was a difficult conversation. Meanwhile, there were, you know, a bunch of developers. Rob, to your point, not everyone is a naysayer. There were a bunch of folks saying, yeah, why are we doing that? We can buy something. I don't know what it is, but why don't we do that? And the internal customers were saying, we're taking too long to meet our customer needs, and our competitors are, you know, beating up on us because we have a real gap in functionality and longer implementations. So that notion of democratization is definitely supported by the tools, but it's also, Rob, to your point about making sure that the organization is structured such that that happens in partnership, and then the governance is enhanced. Why is that? Because you have visibility into what's going on, as opposed to you just provide this black box system and that's it, right? Understanding what's going on from a process perspective enables you to govern better. And it also enables you to govern better because you're governing at the process level, not inside some siloed system. And IT is not responsible for governing. They're not responsible for governing data or process. They are facilitators of that. They help in stewardship. They are the vessels for what has to happen in terms of controlling access, data, and what leaves the boundaries of the network or systems that they're responsible for.